Yo, what is going on YouTube? I am Germ here. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about Tempest Therapeutics. This is ticker symbol TPST. This is a company that recently had done a merger, and since then things have been going absolutely insane, absolutely crazy. As you can see on the screen right here, up today around 86%, which is absolutely insane. Friday closing right around $15.67, and now being very, very close to TPST trading at $30, a little bit below $30 right now, which would almost be, you know, like we said, 80 whatever percent, almost 100%, almost doubling in a single day. And if you take a look back to even a week ago being at $11.48, how fast things have changed in just 5 days, up 158%. Today we're going to be talking about why exactly things are moving so crazy so fast for TPST, what the future maybe has in store, and just kind of giving my thoughts and opinions on the whole situation. Definitely drop a like if you guys do enjoy this video. I'd appreciate it so much, and subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. We're trying to hit 1,000 subs. That is the ultimate goal around here. That would be absolutely insane. That would be absolutely awesome, and I would appreciate your help. Just clicking that button real quick would be awesome. With that being said, here we go. So we're taking a look at this article from Pulse2.com. TPST stock increases over 120% pre-market. Why it happened, that is exactly what we are looking for. It seems like we are in the right place. The stock price of TPST, a clinical stage oncology company, is developing potentially first-in-class therapeutics combining both targeted and immune-mediated mechanisms, increased by over 120% pre-market. So again, they're aiming to have those first-in-class therapeutics. That is obviously a huge market space, a huge, billion dollar industry with a ton of money to be made. But we also know, we have looked at a lot of these biotech, therapeutical, whatever companies before, and they're extremely volatile. They're always coming out with new drugs, new treatments, new trials, FDA approval, all this stuff. So many catalysts. Things can go so bad, things can go so good, so fast. A good news, good catalyst means just rocketing crazy out of nowhere, and bad news, bad catalyst means crashing down so fast. So none of these companies are for the faint of heart, for sure, and TPST is just another one of those examples. But this obviously is a continuation of momentum, as the company stock increased by over 76% on July 9th, the last trading day. Investors are responding today. So here's the big news, to Tempest Therapeutics announcing that Sam Whitting, the CMO of the company, will be participating in a webcast panel titled Developing Therapies for the Next Immuno-Oncology Targets at the William Blair 2021 Biotech Focus Conference on July 14th, which again is in 2 days. Investors are likely expecting a major announcement at the event. So there's a couple of different plays, a couple of different options and stuff here that I, and I'm sure many other people, would be considering. One, the age-old kind of strategy of buy the rumor, sell the news. Now that we know this stuff is going to be happening the 14th, people are expecting a major announcement. I think we'll probably continue to see a run-up today, maybe even see a run-up to tomorrow, even see a run-up all the way up until 2:10 Eastern, and then maybe sometime Wednesday would be a great time to sell. Maybe that is going to be the peak for this thing. If there are no major announcements, if there is maybe just they don't say anything, or maybe even the major announcements are not as major or not as crazy or whatever as people are wanting or expecting or hoping, then maybe we see the stock kind of come back down to reality and drop very, very fast. Because again, we know that whenever something goes up, it has a lot of room to fall back down. This company was trading at $10. It's right now at $29. There is a lot of room for it to fall back down, even if it fell back down to the levels we saw on Friday, which was like $15, $16, $17. That would be a big fall from where we are currently. But then again, there's always the opportunity of them announcing something crazy, announcing something massive, announcing something that people were not expecting, and it just continuing to shoot higher. So this is a very, very risky, very, very volatile play, but people are going to be making this move. That's kind of why things are going crazy. Another catalyst driving up the stock price is an SEC filing that revealed an interesting investor in the company. They did reveal that Rock Springs Capital Management has 640,000 shares in the company, which represents a 9.68 ownership stake. So obviously a big name being in the space is going to give people kind of like hope and get them excited. If this company's invested, maybe I got to get in. Maybe they know something, or maybe they really believe in this. This could be a big opportunity. Rock Springs Capital is an investment company based in Baltimore, and its advisory activities include management services to security portfolios and portfolio management for businesses and institutional clients. Also, another big thing going on is that retail investors on the stock trading forums also cited that this company has a very low float. So between these crazy catalysts and the low float going on, this is just giving TPST so much upward momentum right now. And again, who knows where this thing's going in the future? Anything could happen in the short term, but that's kind of what we're looking at in the next couple of days and the next couple of weeks for TPST, and why it has been going so crazy, not only today, but over the last week. But that's pretty much it for this video today, guys. Definitely drop a like if you did enjoy it. I'd appreciate it so much. Leave a comment down below. What do you think about TPST? Are you buying in? Are you selling? Are you staying away? Or are you keeping it on your watch list? I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. Subscribe to stay up to date on my latest content. Hopefully catch you guys in the next one. But until then, peace.